Hello, hi, my name is True Goldsmith, and this is the adjustable quick rod. I was having problems with this metal door, trying to get screws in it and drills and all this. And so I invented this quick rod. It's three pieces and it's Velcro on each end. And you can see it's a little ways, and this end is to stabilize it and to adjust it. And it takes less than 5 minutes to put a curtain up with this. You have curtain shears, windows that you have problem with screws and all. You could do the quick lock. Okay, this is the Velcro for the door, and we use yeah. Thank you.